In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox files on your computer or PC quickly and efficiently. This straightforward process enables you to keep your files up to date across all your devices. So let's dive right in. To get started, your first step is to download the Dropbox desktop application. Head over to dropbox.com/install. Here, you'll find the option to choose the appropriate version for your operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Downloading the app opens the pathway to access your Dropbox files easily, just like any other file on your computer. Once the download is complete, you're ready to install the app. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Usually this involves double-clicking the downloaded file and following a simple series of prompts. Pay close attention to these steps to ensure a smooth installation. If you are upgrading from a previous version of Dropbox, don't worry, your existing settings and files will remain unchanged. With the app installed, the next task is to open it and sign in using your Dropbox credentials. Enter your username and password, ensuring that you're connecting with the correct account. This step is crucial because it links your Dropbox cloud storage with your computer, allowing the magic of synchronization to begin. If you haven't signed up for Dropbox yet, you'll need to create an account. It's straightforward and free for basic services. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the Dropbox folder appears right in your File Explorer if you're on a Windows machine, or in Finder if you're using a macOS device. This folder acts like a portal to your Dropbox cloud, and anything placed within it will automatically be added to your online storage. Now, let's get those files synced. It's as simple as dragging and dropping. You can click and hold on any file or folder, then drop it into your Dropbox folder. You'll see the files appearing there and they'll sync almost immediately. This drag and drop method is convenient and user-friendly, allowing you to manage your files just as you would with any local storage. Here's where the real synchronization magic happens. As soon as you place items in your Dropbox folder, they automatically sync to your account on Dropbox.com. This means that whatever you add, edit, or delete in the Dropbox folder on your computer will reflect across all other devices connected to your account. Whether it's your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, each will have access to the latest version of your files, instantly and effortlessly. And that's it, you've now successfully set up and synced your Dropbox files on your computer. This seamless integration ensures that you have access to your important documents anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps keep your digital life organized.